Hello, my name is Carl Watson and I represent a real estate company by the name of What's On Properties, a leading real estate brokerage firm based in Cape Town, South Africa. As a growing brokerage with a one of a kind partner offering, we needed a platform to track agent performance, manage revenue share models automatically, and especially within a capping structure. These limitations were directly affecting our ability to scale and expand the business. We started looking for a technology partner who truly understood modern brokerages, how they operate, and that's when we found Right Alley. What impressed us immediately was that Right Alley is a ready to use AI powered post deal operational platform built specifically for agent centric businesses like ours. The team were extremely professional, took the time to deeply understand our revenue share compensation plan, agent hierarchy, agent reward system, and long term growth goals. The implementation was smooth and efficient. In less than 2 weeks, the Right Alley team had the entire platform set up and customized for our business needs. Today, we have complete visibility into agent performance, automated revenue share calculations, and a scalable system that supports our growth. Most importantly, it gives us the confidence that we can now expand nationwide and even globally should we wish without operational bottlenecks. I am genuinely happy with Right Alley's service offering and the level of commitment the team brings. I would highly recommend Right Alley to any real estate brokerage that wants to attract top agents, retain them, and scale efficiently. Thank you to the Right Alley team for being a true growth partner.